Okay, today our problem is prove that integral within limit 0 to a minus x whole power of m minus 1 x power of n minus 1 dx is equal to a power of m plus n minus 1 b of mn. Okay, now to prove this problem, let us consider the transformation x is equal to ay. Okay, now differentiate on both sides with respect to y, that is dx by dy is equal to a into 1, that is dx is equal to a dy. Okay, now replace ay in place of x and a dy in place of dx in the given problem. Okay, that is the given problem is integral within limits 0 to a minus x power of m minus 1 x power of n minus 1 dx. Okay, is equal to, it will become integral within limits. Okay, now in this transformation, when x is equal to 0, y becomes 0 because ay is equal to 0, therefore y is equal to 0 by a, y is equal to 0. Therefore when x is equal to 0, y become 0. Similarly, when x is equal to upper limit a, when x is equal to a, y become a is equal to ay, y is equal to a by a, that is y is equal to 1. Therefore limits become limits become 0 and 1. Okay, now a minus x is equal to ay power of m plus n minus 1. Okay, similarly, sorry, m minus 1. Now x means ay power of n minus 1. Okay, dx means a dy. Okay, here a is common, therefore a power of m minus 1, a power of m minus 1 minus y power of m minus 1. Okay, here a is a power of n minus 1 y power of n minus 1 a dy. Okay, now here base is a bases are equal, therefore we have to add powers, that is integral within limit 0 to 1 a power of m minus 1 plus n minus 1 plus a power of 1 and into 1 minus y power of m minus 1 into y power of n minus 1 dy. Okay, is equal to integral within limit 0 to 1 a power of minus 1 plus 1 cancelled, a power of m plus n minus 1 into 1 minus y power of m minus 1 y power of n minus 1 dy. Okay, notice that here a power of m plus n minus 1 is a constant. Therefore a power of m plus n minus 1 into integral within limit 0 to 1 1 minus y m minus 1 y power of n minus 1 dy, or a power of m plus n minus 1 integral with the limit 0 to 1 y power of n minus 1 1 minus y power of m minus 1 dy. Okay, let us consider y is equal to x. Okay, then we get a power of m plus n minus 1 integral within limit 0 to 1 y power of x power of n minus 1 1 minus x power of m minus 1 dy. Okay, clearly it is of the beta form. Therefore we have a power of m plus n minus 1 into, as per the definition of beta function, we have b of nm. Okay, but we know that by the symmetry of the beta function property, we have b of nm is equal to b of mn. Therefore a power of m plus n minus 1 into b of mn. Therefore we have proved result, that is integral with the limit 0 to a minus x whole power of m minus 1 x power of n minus 1 dx is equal to a power of m plus n minus 1 b of mn. Okay, now the second problem is show that integral within limits minus 1 to 1 1 plus x power of m minus 1 1 minus x power of n minus 1 dx is equal to 2 power of m plus n minus 1 b of mn. Okay, as per the definition of beta function, we have b of mn is equal to integral within limit 0 to 1 x power of m minus 1 1 minus x power of n minus 1 dx. Now let us consider the transformation x is equal to 1 plus y by 2. Okay, now differentiate on both sides with respect to y. Here x is equal to 1 by 2 plus y by 2. Okay, on differentiating we get dx is equal to 1 by 2, derivative of 1 by 2 with respect to y is 0, and here is 1 by 2 into dy. Therefore let us replace 1 plus y by 2 in place of x and 1 by 2 dy in place of dx in the given integral. Okay, therefore b of mn is equal to integral within limit 0 to 1 in place of x 1 plus y by 2 whole power of m minus 1 into 1 minus x means 1 plus y by 2 whole power of n minus 1 dx means 1 by 2 dy 1 by 2 into dy. Okay, now integral within limit 0 to 1 1 plus y power of m minus 1 by 2 power of m minus 1 into 1 minus, let us simplify this function by taking LCM, that is LCM is 2. Okay, 2 times 2 into 1 2 minus 1 plus y. Okay, this is whole power of n minus 1 2 power of n minus 1. Okay, into 1 by 2 dy. Okay, here 2 power 2 is base, its power is m minus 1. 2 is base, its power is n minus 1. 2 is base, its power is 1. When bases are equal, we have to add powers. Okay, therefore 2 power of m minus 1, 2 power of m minus 1 plus n minus 1 plus 1. Okay, in the denominator, in the numerator, we have 1 plus y power of m minus 1. 2 minus 1 means 2 minus 1, 1 minus y, 1 minus y power of n minus 1 dy. But we know that 1 by 2 power of m minus 1 plus n minus 1 plus 1 is a constant. On solving it, we get 2 power of m plus n minus 1. Therefore, it is a constant. 2 power of m plus n minus 1. 1 by 2 power of m plus n minus 1 is constant. Thus, we take it to the outside. Therefore, integral within limit 0 to 1, 1 plus y power of n minus 1, 1 minus y power of n minus 1 dy. Okay, let us take y is equal to x. Okay, then we get 1 by 2 power of m plus n minus 1 is equal to integral within limit 0 to 1, 1 plus y power of 1 plus x power of m minus 1, 1 minus x power of n minus 1 dx. Actually, it is b of mn is equal to, okay, therefore b of mn is equal to this one. Okay, therefore, since 2 power of m plus n minus 1 is in denominator, on taking it to the left side, we get b of mn into 2 power of m plus n minus 1 is equal to integral within limits 1 plus x whole power of m minus 1, 1 minus x whole power of n minus 1 dx. Actually, how to change these limits? We did make small mistake without changing these limits. Therefore, in this transformation, when x is equal to 0, 1 plus y by 2 is equal to 0. That is 1 plus y is equal to 0. Y is equal to minus 1. Therefore, when x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 1. Okay. Similarly, when in this transformation, when x is equal to 1, 1 plus y by 2 is equal to 1. That is 1 plus y is equal to 2 into 1, 2. 1 plus y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 minus 1. Therefore, y is equal to 1. Therefore, when x is equal to 1, y is equal to, when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. Therefore, change the limits. Limits are minus 1 to plus 1. 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 Okay. Therefore, we have proved required problem. That is integral with limits minus 1 to 1, 1 plus x whole power of m minus 1, 1 minus x whole power of n minus 1 dx is equal to 2 power of m plus n minus 1 b of mn. We have proved it.